Guys, we're gonna
Ito
play.
yung secret weapon.
So we're gonna play FNAF in real
But
life.
I'm the creature.
Okay, let's go.
That's lurking. Let me do my guitar.
I can cough, but he can. Look at the... Paano makaka-cover ng ears ko? Ice na lang yung ka-cover. Cover ice na. Sisigaw ako. So we're gonna scream. Hindi pa! Cover your eyes. Go! So guys, I can just look at you guys, but they don't see. I can just talk to you. I can't see you. Wait lang. Kapag umupo ako, titignan mo sa mga curtains.
Pag naka-open yung eyes, edi eliminated.
Eliminated.
Ayaw ko na magsali.
Bakit?
Ayaw ko lakot ka, no?
Diba?
Uy, nakabukas naman yung pinto eh.
Tapos
Hindi naman ako nakakatakot.
Tapos nandito lang, nasa sabi lang naman ako sa'yo. Dahil, naka-test face. It's like a serial killer. Dapat hindi mo kami, talatas mo, paa mo. Dapat, kapag nasa baba kami, bawal mo kami makita.
Pag nagagano ka, you have to escape from the chairs and then you will run away from me.
Wait lang.
If I start singing that song,
Oh my God.
really awesome.
Kapag nagsising ka, dapat nandito kami. Wala dapat kami.
Tapos mag-escape kayo sa akin.
Oo, tago mo. So we're almost surviving. Okay, everyone say bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Like and subscribe and share this video. Yeah.